Okay, this is gonna be easy. Sorry, buddy. Here, give me your hand. There he is. Don't move. Hey, you, freeze.
And Zach, you start us off.
So, for my presentation, wait, I don't get the Wi-Fi.
All right, Zach, your signal's breaking up. I'm sorry.
Morgan, let's go on to your presentation.
Yes.
So the laws of physics state that what goes up must come down, unless you're a magician. Coming.
So I have a really special item inside of this hat that I want to show you. Are you kidding me? That's so annoying. Okay, got my charger here. Plug in. Okay, here we go. Get over there. Oh, almost there. Just go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, so as I was saying, inside this hat I have a really special item. No! No! What style are we going for today?
I would really love this style.
Oh, yeah, love it. Here.
Oh my gosh!
I love it. It's great.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
That's crazy.
I just was on my last roll of toilet paper here, but I found out there's this cool hack you can do. If you put it right out to the lens and pull back, there's an extra roll for you. All right, hope you guys are doing okay. Stay safe.
Immersive experience. Wonder what that is. Oh, I'm in Jumanji. Oh, it's hot. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Lane, can you hear me? 8, 9, 10. Whew. Oh. All right, game point. Point. Woo! Good game. Catch you Monday.
Wait, what?
Huh. Could have sworn I bought fruit. Oh. Huh? So I thought it'd be fun to show you how I made that video, so you can try making one too. First, I filmed the part where I'm reaching into the bag, and then I go to the second bag and reach my hand from behind the counter. So now we're gonna combine these clips using the Video Leap app. First, you're gonna import the 2 clips into a new project, then use the mixer feature to layer the 2 clips on top of each other. Then we're gonna use the mask feature to control which part of the clips that you can see. And then just flip this sideways. And one side of the screen is going to show me reaching into the bag, the other side is going to show me reaching out. So try Video Leap if you want to make some magic like this.